Hello kids! Let's learn some fruits and colors. Banana, cherry, pear, apple, orange, grapes. Let's start coloring. Yellow color, banana. Green color, red color, cherry. Dark green color, light green color, pear. Brown color, orange color, orange. Violet color, grapes. Red color, apple. Sky blue color, yellow color, orange color, light green color, yellow color,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.